and thank you for watching. Today I wanted to film a what's in my Ipsy Glam bag. This is the Soft Era Glam bag. It is this really cute pink terry cloth bag, very crunchy. It's got this little squiggle handle. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, first are some brushes. These are the Luna Magic Luxury Brush. Let's open these. I love getting new brushes. Very cute. They have these little rhinestones. Very fluffy synthetic. And then a little angled 777. 11, 11, and 777. How cute is that? Then we have the Basic Beauty sponge in a really cute cream color. Next is the Volition Chocolate Macadamia Hydrating Mask. Oh my gosh, I gotta smell that right now. One of my favorite things to smell like is chocolate. Like, I would rather smell like chocolate than eat chocolate. Even looks like chocolate. It smells so good. I cannot wait to try this. 2 items left. Then we have the Lith High Definition Gel Liner with a built-in angled brush. Okay. That's interesting. I've never seen an eyeliner with a brush built into it. It is, oh, that's the brush. Super cute and tiny. And then it is this very fine point. It's chocolatey brown color. Super cute. I love brown eyeliner. I'll probably use this in my next makeup look. And then last but not least, we have the Tula So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Ooh. It smells like pumpkin spice. It is a very fine grit scrub. I don't know if this is for your face or your body. It has sugar in it, so I'm assuming your body, but it says to minimize pores. So maybe they intended it for your face as well. And that is what was in my Soft Era Ipsy Glam bag. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave me a comment on what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.